Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy Jack, coming to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica. I am enjoying the breeze outside right now, and I decided that I wanted to showcase two fragrances from the house of Alexandria Fragrances. Two new releases, and these are inspirations from, or basically inspirations of Louis Vuitton, two of Louis Vuitton's most loved fragrances. One Afternoon Swim, and the other one is Ombré Nomad. All right, so I just wanted to show my love for these two fragrances and tell you guys what I think about it. All right, the performance, the longevity, the compliment factor thereabout. I won't be doing a comparison video right now, but it is coming pretty soon. So if you are interested in a content like that, keep on watching. First fragrance is going to be Afternoon Splash. This is Alexandria's take on Afternoon Swim from Louis Vuitton. This is fucking fire, if I should say so. Pardon my French, guys. If you are into citrus, this is like citrus done to perfection. This fragrance, it has this mandarin, this bright, invigorating type opening. There is something in this one that it lacks in the opening for me, but it make up for it in the dry down. The salted marine, or should I say aquatic vibe in this one is just commendable. The performance on this one, I got 13 hours on my skin because I got home around 11 hours later. I showered 2 hours after that, which makes it 13 hours later, and the scent was radiating nicely off my skin. I got no compliment. I can't speak definitively to projection, however I am sure it was projecting nicely. Persons were wearing masks and social distancing and everything, but I do believe this one has the potential to garnish a lot of compliments. As it relates to uniqueness, this one, some persons may compare this one to Alexandria Black Panther, which is their take on Bulgari Tigar. Totally two different fragrances, guys. Two different fragrances. One is a play on the combination of citrus with some ambroxan, which gives it a musky feel. This one now is a play on citrus and marine type scent. All right, marine notes itself, or marine accord, salted marine accords, my apologies. So this one, if I should rank this one, I will, or if I should rate this one out of 5, I will give this one 4 out of 5. It lose marks because it didn't get any compliment from me, but nonetheless it has that potential, and I will be wearing this one a lot. And I also will be doing a side-by-side comparison between this one and Afternoon Swim. So stay tuned for that one later down. Now, the second fragrance I will be touching on is No Shade for Nomad. And this is Alexandria's take on Louis Vuitton Ombré Nomade. Before I dive into this one, Ombré Nomade was one of my favorite pickups for 2019 I got that one. No, that was last year, 2020 I got that one, and it was a blind buy, and a successful blind buy at that. The only difference is that that fragrance is a beast. You can't go more than 3 sprays for the office. It is a beast. It is nuclear. It is fantastic. It speaks to Middle Eastern quality fragrances. It is remarkable. I love that fragrance so much. So now Alexandria released this one, and I'm going to tell you if I feel the same way about this one as I do Ombré Nomade. Before I jumpstart that one, I noticed that these fragrances from Alexandria, the caps itself, it does not have the logo engraved in the cap. I'm not sure if it's a change in presentation, but I noticed that one. Now, this fragrance notes of, on the bottle it says rose oud amber. However, it has leather in this one as well. It has some additional fruits and some sweetness in this one as well. Vanillic sweetness, some spices as well. The scent gives you that rich, opulent, Middle Eastern play on rose and oud, not to mention with some leather. And the fruits in this one is a sexy ass raspberry that I so love in Ombré Nomade. This one, fantastic. I feel just the same as I do wearing this one as I do wearing Ombré Nomade. The only difference is that I think I went overboard on sprays on this one Friday gone. So I decided I was going to try this fragrance Friday for work. And I went about 9 sprays of this one. Usually I would go 3 sprays of Ombré Nomade. And one day I was wearing Ombré Nomade and I drove past a coworker who was on the opposite side of the road. When she got to the office, she came to me and she was like, dude, why you have to smell so fantastic? I could literally smell you after you drove past. That was how beastly Ombré Nomade is and how sexy it smells. I got crazy compliments wearing Ombré Nomade, and this one is not short of that. The 9 sprays that I went with this one was a little too much for some persons, because I got 3 complaints about the scent was killing them. And personally, the first few hours it was actually giving me a migraine as well. But as it dries down, it mellows out perfectly fine. Alright, perfectly fine, I should say. I got a total of, including the 3 complaints, I got a total of 9 compliments. So 6 positive and 3 not so negative. Is just that it was a little too much for them. For me personally, I must agree that the 9 sprays was too much. I will ensure that I tone it down a little moving forward. I just wanted a feel of the fragrance and that one was perfectly executed. Another compliment I got from this one was my scent was sexually harassing or assaulting her nostrils with a smile. Another person, I went downstairs and as I went back to the elevator, she came down and I overheard her and someone at the front desk asking if Joel just passed through. Said she could literally smell my scent down there. Another one, I went into a manager's office and she called me back in to ask me what was I wearing. The same person who was downstairs, she saw me again and she asked what I was wearing. And what she said to me was that it was extremely strong, but it's nice. So another person said the same thing as well, that it is strong but nice just the same. So all in all, I will give this one credit for performance, for projection, compliment factor. Everything about this one scores 10 out of 10 for me. So I would give this one a rating of 5 out of 5. So this one scored big in terms of release from the house of Alexandria, and it is up there in terms of top 5 favorite from the house of Alexandria for me. This fragrance called No Shade for Nomad. Longevity, it is still projecting out of my shirt 3 days later. So you see guys, this is amazing. Every single person who I made smell this fragrance between Friday and Saturday loved it. Love it. I'm not exaggerating. Love this one so much. And I don't want to ramble on and on about this fragrance, so I will be ending it here and telling you guys to look for the comparison between this one and the original, along with Afternoon Splash and the original, because I have them in my collection and I am looking forward to giving you that content. As always, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below and hit that notification bell, guys. I'm your boy Ja. Peace. I am out.